Integrating SendPulse email marketing with AgileForms can help you streamline your email marketing efforts and automate the process of capturing leads from your forms. Here's a general guide on how to integrate these two platforms. If you haven't already, sign up for accounts with both SendPulse email marketing and AgileForms. You can use the link in the description to try both of these platforms. Log into your accounts on both platforms. In your SendPulse account, navigate to the API section. This is typically found in your account settings or developer settings. Generate an API key if you haven't already done so. Make sure to copy the API key to use it later. Log in to your AgileForms account. Navigate to the form you want to integrate with SendPulse, or create a new one if needed. Find the integration or plugins section within AgileForms. Look for the SendPulse integration option and select it. You will likely be prompted to enter your SendPulse API key. Paste the API key you generated earlier into SendPulse. Once the integration is set up, you'll need to map the fields from your AgileForms form to your SendPulse email list. For example, map the email field in AgileForms to the email field in your SendPulse list. You may also map additional fields like name, phone number, etc., if applicable. Before deploying the integration live, it's a good idea to test it out. Fill out your AgileForms form with test data and submit it. Check your SendPulse account to ensure that the submitted data has been successfully added to your email list. Once you're confident that the integration is working as expected, you can deploy it live on your website or wherever your AgileForms form is hosted. Regularly monitor the integration to ensure that data is flowing smoothly between AgileForms and SendPulse. Optimize your forms and email marketing campaigns based on the insights you gather from the integrated data. By integrating SendPulse email marketing with AgileForms, you can automate the process of capturing leads and seamlessly add them to your email marketing campaigns, helping you engage with your audience more effectively. Don't forget to use the link in the description to try both of these platforms.